Hello friends, welcome back to my channel KDP Vlog. And as you know, this is Rick. He is here with me to help me out in unpackaging the stuff which I have ordered to Lluvia for my Dominar 400. I just received it today and shall do the unpackaging, and he will be helping me out. So let's see.
Hello all, I am ready with my scissors and I am now unpackaging it.
So guys, my son has unpackaged this one, and this is the exhaust card, and this one is the fog lamp mount for my Dominar 400. And I've got a very good keychain as a gift from Lluvia. This is the keychain. Thanks Lluvia for this. And thank you guys. If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe to it.